What is up, YouTube? Today I'm super hyped to check out some of Apple's brand new offerings, specifically the AirTags. Now, the AirTags are a new tracking device. They've been rumored for so long. People have been expecting these, making tons and tons of videos. And not only did I just pick up the AirTag and the key ring, and yes, I only got one AirTag, I'll explain why. I also grabbed one of these new spring colored iPhone 12 mini silicone cases. I typically go with the leather cases with Apple, but I wanted to check out a silicone one. Boom. Now, yes, Apple cases aren't the cheapest, but I like the quality of them. I like the feel and the vibe. You can do just as well with a speaking case. I don't knock that. I like speaking cases too, but I like these MagSafe accessory Apple cases as well. As you can see, we got the boom. So now I got the blue to go along with the nice lime green iPhone 12 mini. I'm gonna be doing a video real soon updating you guys on how my experience with the iPhone 12 mini has been thus far. Spoiler alert, wait for the video. So let's open up these AirTags. I kinda wanna show you guys the setup process, which typically with Apple is extremely intuitive and easy. And the reason why I only grabbed one is because I don't really lose things or have things that I have to worry about tracking as much as I guess everyone else. Everyone must lose their keys all the time. I put them typically in the same vicinity or area, so I don't have a problem keeping track of my keys. So what I am gonna put this on is my brand new e-bike. If you guys haven't seen, I picked up a Super 73, which has been a joy of mine and a wonderful purchase, but it would be dope to have an AirTag on that. It's an expensive purchase, and just in case, somehow, some way, have my e-bike separated from me, I'll have a tracker on it and be able to keep a location on that. So I grabbed this key ring because I like Apple's leather accessories, as I said, so I grabbed the leather one, and you know, obviously I had to get the product red because one for the cause, but two for the color. Well, actually, one for the color and two for the cause, because you guys know, if you don't know, I love red. Red is my favorite color. I have the red Apple Watch Series 6 on my wrist. Boom. So what's really dope about the AirTag, for those who want them, is the simplicity of the setup process. I'm gonna show you that right now. Let's unlock this. Boom, boom. And simply to get this active, you literally remove this, pop the tag out that's blocking the battery. Boom, boom, bam. AirTag is on board. You literally put it next to your iPhone. This is the joy and the ease of use for Apple products, which appeals to the older audience as well as the tech-forward audience as me. I like convenience. The fact that I simply do that. Let's see, do they have bike on here? They don't have bike. I have to do a custom name. Now, we're gonna name this joint. I don't have a name for my Super 73. You know, it's red. It's in that carmine red. I don't have a name yet. Anyways, we're gonna call it my Carmine RX. Somebody give me a name for my bike. Select an emoji to represent this AirTag. I like the red, actually. We're going with the red dot. So then it's gonna register it to my information of my Apple ID. I agree to that. And my Carmine RX right here is being set up. And then I just hit done. And literally within seconds, within minutes, you're set up and good to go. And if you're curious about this little leather, all right, simple as this. Slide this in there. Boom. So the next step is simple. Attach this to my Super 73 electric e-bike, and now I have a tracker for it, just in case we separate from each other. But you know, I typically keep the things that I care about or use most close and near to me. That's why I rarely lose my keys. So comment down below, what are you guys using these AirTags for? I wanna know, cause I seen people buying the 4-packs. What are you attaching them to? And if you're losing your keys, oh, player. Anyways, nevertheless, today was a fun morning. I also pre-ordered the brand new iMac 24-inch as well as the brand new iPad Pro in the 12.9-inch model with the brand new Magic Keyboard to go with it. I got it in white so I can talk and show that to you guys as well. So my name is CJ. Hit the like button if you liked the video and hit the subscribe button to hang around for more dope Apple content. I'm out. I'm gonna go see what this AirTag is all about.
That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God, it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me. told me I forgot it. Cause me drama.